Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Instapay on Even app. So let's get started. So first of all, I will just open here our blog. Okay. So at here we can see the article. So basically, to use the Instapay, you have to first of all uh, like have to use. So you can just use. You can get a free month even plus when you will sign in as a Walmart associate, and you will get a free month of plus 90 every day after you sign in, and you will get a free accumulate for the 4 months. And if you haven't if you don't have a free month, you can choose to pay as a $6 to get even the for 30 days. Okay, like this. So from here, basically Instapay is a pay that you can directly pay, and it's a type of a credit card or a pay later type of thing. Okay, so to use, you have to first download the Instapay or even the bank app. Okay, so you need to download, then you can directly sign up or sign in, then you can directly use it. So this is how we can just use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.